Want to share a list or assign a task to someone else and remember the milk? Here's how to do that. So to assign a task to somebody else and remember the milk, all you gotta do is click on that task. It'll bring up the side panel here. Click on Add Field and then click on Give To. And if you don't already have that person in your RTM contacts, you can click on New Contact and pop in their email address, click Add, and boom, you're ready to go. To share a list with someone else, all you do is go over to the list you want to share, click on this down arrow icon, click on Share List, and then you can add people here. If they are already in your RTM contacts, they should pop up by typing in their name. If not, just type in their full email address. They'll get the link and then click on Done and you're good to go. In the Share task from your mobile device, simply click on the task, click on that edit icon, then click on Add Field, then click on Give To. And if you don't see their name already here, click on the New Contact button and pop in their email address. And unfortunately, you cannot currently share a list on the mobile app, but you can see who currently has access to that list. Just click on the list name, click on the list name again, and then click on View List Permissions. Thanks for checking out this video. If you'd like to download my free Remember the Milk cheat sheet, the link is in the description below.